If your mind won't stop racing, this will help. After a long day at work, I used to lie in bed exhausted but wide awake. Then I learned triangle breathing, and now I use it almost every night. Let's do it together. First, get comfortable. Lie on your back or on your side. Let your arms rest loosely by your body. Unclench your jaw. Let your tongue drop gently from the roof of your mouth. Allow your shoulders to sink into the mattress. There's nothing else you need to do right now. Now imagine a soft triangle. We're going to trace it with our breath. First side of the triangle. Inhale gently through your nose for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second side. Hold softly for 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Third side. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's one triangle. Let's draw another. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Again. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. And again. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. With each side of the triangle, feel your body getting heavier, your forehead softening, your shoulders melting down, your breath becoming quieter, more natural. You are safe. You are allowed to rest. Keep tracing the triangle in your own rhythm now. If your breath becomes softer, let it. If your thoughts drift, let them drift. You don't need to finish this video. Just keep breathing and let sleep find you.